How to fix Valorant VAL 19. 1. FYI. Problem. You may have to wait. 2. Other tips you may try: quit then restart the Riot client. Restart your computer and slash or router. Check your internet connection. Check for game updates. Uninstall then reinstall the Riot client. Uninstall then reinstall. Valorant. Clean boot your Windows. Close unwanted programs by it. WTM. Plan B, shut down all Valorant-related tasks from the task manager. Update your PC. Update Wi-Fi drivers. And /or graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Clear DNS cache. Commands include IP protocol configuration /flushins IP protocol configuration /registered IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew netshare winsock reset. Play Valorant with administrator privileges. Set startup type to automatic for VGC service. Restart the File Explorer app.